The first of our 3 ways to search in the library platform is basic search. On the home page of the library website or search platform, type in the keywords of your question, then hit enter or click the magnifying glass. From here, you can use filters to narrow down your search. Basic search is the most helpful when you're looking for a very specific item. The second option is the Ask Anything natural language search. To use this option, open the Ask Anything panel next to the search bar on the home page. You can write out your question in your own words in the text box on this page. The Ask Anything tool takes your question and turns it into Boolean terms that our search platform understands once you hit the search button. If you want to make your Ask Anything question more specific, use the Edit button to change any wording or add things. Being specific will help a lot in getting good results with this search. The Ask Anything search option is the most helpful when you have a question you know you need answered, but you're not exactly sure which specific words will be the best to search with. The third option is Advanced Search. To access this function, click the Advanced Search option to the right of the search bar. Take the key terms from your question and put them into the search boxes available in this section. You can put quotation marks around phrases that have more than one word to make sure the search keeps these terms together. You can use the and, or, and not options in the drop-downs by each search bar to change how your words interact. Use the material type, language, and date filters to narrow down your options, and then click Search. Advanced Search is helpful for giving you the most control over your search from the start. Whichever search style you choose, you'll need to narrow down your results. Watch the next video in this series for more on filters. Thanks for watching!